Hi, it's Nazar with Nazarasfinecrafts, and today we're going to learn how to do a ripple or a wave stitch. So this is the stitch that we're going to learn. It's perfect for any like beach wear or blankets, things like that. It does a really nice ripple effect, kind of like waves. And so if you like these kind of tutorials, then give me a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel. And let's go ahead and get into this. I am using a Boy I9 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, as well as I am using Crafter's Secret yarn in the color, let's see what color you are, Jelly Bean. And this is a 4-weight yarn, a medium 4-weight. So let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. Alright, to start this wave stitch, we're going to do in multiples of 8 plus 1. So I'm going to go ahead and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So I'm going to do 32. So it's multiples of 8 plus 1, so we need to do 33. And then what we're going to do for row 1 is single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. So single crochet. And then we're going to 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. So wrap around, go through, pull it through all. And then we're going to double crochet in the next 3. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. And then in the next stitch we're going to half double crochet again. And in the next stitch we're going, or in the next 3 stitches, we're going to single crochet. So 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, and then 3 single crochets. So that's the repeat. So we're going to go again. There's 1 half double crochet in the next. And then we're going to double crochet in the next 3. So double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, and then we're going to half double crochet in the next one, and then 3 single crochets. So 1, 2, and 3. Half double crochet. We're going to do 3 double crochets in the next 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Half double crochet in the next. And in the next 3 we're going to do single crochet in the next 3. So 1, 2, 3. Half double crochet again. Double crochet in the next 3. 1, 2. Sorry if you hear that knocking, the wind's blowing. I got my windows open because it's really nice out today and my screen isn't set in there properly. Half double crochet after those 3 double crochets, and then when you get to the end, we're going to do a single crochet in the last 2. So 1 and then a 2. So that's chain, or that's row 1. Let me lay it down here to show you. You see how it's kind of building that weird fat, thin, fat, thin, fat, thin. So row 2, we're going to chain 1, turn our work. We're skipping this very first one and we're going to single crochet all the way to the end. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this, just a single crochet all the way over. Okay, so I got the last one. Alright, so row 3, we're going to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. We're going to turn our work. We're skipping this first one again and we're going to double crochet in this single crochet here. We're going to half double crochet in the next. And then we're going to single crochet in the next 3. So 1, 2, and 3. We're going to half double crochet in the next, and then we're going to do 3 double crochets in the next 3. So, well, 1 in each of the next 3. So 1, 2, and 3. So that's the repeat. Half double crochet, 3 single crochets, half double crochet, 3 double crochets, half double crochet, 3 single crochets, half double crochet, 3 double crochets, half double crochet, 3 single crochets, a half double crochet, and we're going to double crochet in the very last stitch. So you see how it's kind of evening it out a little bit, but it's doing the wobble. Row 4, we're going to repeat row 2, so chain 1, turn our work, and we're going to single crochet all the way across. Alright, single crochet. And that last one, and then for row 5 we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and then we're going to skip this first one. We're going to single crochet in the next, half double crochet in the next, and then double crochet in the next 3. So 1, 2, 3, half double crochet, single crochet in the next 3. 1, 2, 2, 3. Half double crochet, double crochet in the next 3, half double crochet, single crochet in the next 3, half double crochet, double crochet in the next 3, half double crochet, single crochet in the next 3, half double crochet, double crochet in the next 3, half double crochet, and then single crochet in the last. So do you see the lines here? Let's see if I can, here, if I can cast a shadow, you can see them a little bit better. But it's big, little, big, little, big, little. So with striped yarn, it's really cool. It's honestly, I like it with this yarn as well, with solids. But basically what you're going to do is you're just going to repeat rows 2 through 5 over and over again until you have for the blankets or whatever project you're working on. It holds together pretty well. I've made a few things with this stitch and it's really nice. If you have anything beachy themed, this would be a great one to do it with, because you have kind of the waves or ripples throughout the work. So if you like these tutorials, then definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Don't forget to check out that September giveaway going on. I'll link it up here above as well as down in the description below. And if you have any questions, definitely comment below. I will answer any questions that you have. And we'll see you guys later. Bye.